There.
What's up, guys? Today I randomly decided to trap me and my friends at a random scary that has a broken table pizzeria place, and it's basically you have to escape this obby, and I will be playing it with my friends Stephen and Francis. And if y'all wanna know what the game name is on Roblox, it's Escape Papa Pizza Place. So where are y'all? Come on, you got this again? Bro, why are there a bunch of humans? Are they gonna be the meat? What you got? Yo, these are bear traps.
I watched a lot.
Oh yeah, by the way, y'all think we just play rivals all day, and that is a boy. Yo. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Bro, who is that? Who is that? I'm just... Yo, there's an exit. Get in, get in. Let's go. And are these feet? No, I'm swimming in pee. I mean, I keep dying. Oh, what's up, Francis? As I keep moving. And by the way, so y'all know me and Francis are recording at the same exact time because he also has a YouTube channel, so make sure to also subscribe to me. Bro, how much ads would you watch? Okay, we're waiting for you. Yeah, we're totally waiting for you, dude. Stephen, we're literally waiting for you.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, what item did you get now? Oh yeah, by the way, there's this pizzeria that looks like the person that chased us in the middle. And there's spider webs. There's spider webs over here. Yo, I'm kinda curious. What if we... You answered my question. You answered my question. Oh, if you touch the spikes, you die. Oh, wait. La. Say wallahi, I mean... I think the viewers can't hear you because I watched the video. Yo, where is Francis? No, I went to heaven. I mean, Francis, since I'm a W friend, I'm gonna wait for you. Since I'm a W friend. There, let's go. Okay, there, let's go. Stephen, are you in another dimension now, bro? Bro, Stephen is speaking gibberish right now. I don't know if you can hear him, but I recently watched the latest videos, and my friends just hear like someone from the mountain. Okay, guys, I finally made it after going to heaven after 1 million years. Up, it's our moment. I mean, we're going up. Okay, get to the get what? Yo, it's a pizza guy. It's a pizza guy again. It's the pizza guy again. It's a pizza guy again. It's a pizza guy. But I luckily escaped with my friend Francis. Stephen, where even are you? Where even are you, bro? Oh, y'all keep falling, but okay. Yo, that's so easy. Okay, let's wait for Steven and let's go. Okay, what do I do over here? Bro just got barbecued by the laser. Bro just got barbecued. Okay, let's go. Oh! Oh no. They got kidnapped and turned into meat. Wait, there's a freighter. They turned into a skeleton. Okay, we finally. Okay, we are going up the elevator. Oh, let's go. Oh, where are these? That dude just died and got turned into. Both of y'all died at the same time. Okay, y'all got this. No, y'all can. Wait, what if I go here? I die. Okay, I'm accepting the same fate as y'all. Okay, let's wait. Oh! No, Francis, you died, man! Okay, y'all keep dying. Y'all keep... That was an awkward moment of silence. There is no way bro died at the last second of his life. Okay. Finally, okay, Stephen, go! Yes! Yes, my friend! Yes! Francis went to heaven. I don't know, let's wait for Francis. No, that is... Oh, you... Okay. Francis is the last contestant. How did you fail, bro? Dang. Since I'm a good friend, I'm gonna go back. Wait, how did I end up here? Okay, I'm dying the same fate as my friend. Francis, just make it for the sake of the video. Are you? Oh, I got crushed. No way! You are the god of dying. No! Just make it, bro! Bro, Francis, just make it, bro. Just make it. Just make it. Francis, I believe in you, bro. Say what? Francis, wait in the middle, bro. Wait in the middle. Wait in the middle. I said in the middle, not in the spikes, dog. Are you serious? Hey, wallahi.
Life is life.
Okay, go. Oh! Are we serious? Ah!
Wait, I got an idea. What if I...
Bro, what? You keep dying, bro. You keep dying. Are you kidding me, bro? I'm gonna move on. Bye-bye. 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 Never mind. Bro, just make it. My recording is running out, bro. I only have 4 minutes left.
I got an idea.
Are you gonna watch an ad, bro? Yeah, you disappeared. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're cooked, buddy. Now you restarted your progress, bro. You restarted your progress. Bro, you're literally stage 1. Say walahi, bro. Say walahi, bro. Say walahi, bro. Say walahi. All 8 planets travel in orbit. Never mind. Okay, I'm in the cage. Bye-bye. Okay, bro. I'm already near the end, bro. Never mind, I'm not near the end. I'm on the ladder stage.
I'm on the ladder stage.
It says this way with only 1 minute left on the clock for me to record. Let's go, no more waiting. I'm escaping this thing first. I have to run home. Oh, I have to run now. Wait, why is it dark? I get why it's dark. Ooh. Okay, we still have 1 more chance. I hope we make it.
Guys, I'm almost there. I'm just gonna go up.
Oh, no.